So I was riding in the back roads, you know, just doing my thing through the Columbus area, and I came to a stop like I normally do, and then when I, you know, hit that throttle, my handlebars slid back toward me. So I usually have mine adjusted all the way forward like so, but when I hit the gas, my handlebars slid back. Now the good news is it won't come off track because you got four bolts here that's gonna hold it on the track itself. But for the first time when I was riding this thing, it actually startled me that the handlebar slid back. So pulled off the side of the road just to kind of inspect it, make sure it wouldn't fall off. And I made my way back home after about 20-mile ride. So when I got back home, this is what I had to do to fix that. And I'm telling you, super easy.